Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your account verified on the OKX Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the OKX Wallet app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address or your phone number and your password. Once you are logged in, if you haven't already verified your account, you will see the Get Verified button right within the homepage. Go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on Verify Now. You will then be asked to choose your country or region. Just click on the drop-down menu and then choose your country or region. Then choose your state or province and then tap on the next button. Now once you continue forward, your account will be logged out for a while, and after logging back in, you will be asked to provide the relevant documents. This can be your personal identification, your driving license or your passport. After providing the verification documents, you may also be asked to provide a photograph of yourself. Once you provide all of the documents that are mentioned, the verification process will continue, and you will be notified whenever your verification is complete within the messages section at the top right corner. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to get your account verified on the OKX Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.